guys, Whisper Gamer here. So, I couldn't get out a video yesterday. I'm trying to do a video a day, but right now it's a little hard. I'm having trouble keeping that schedule right now just because of work and stuff. But I'm gonna keep trying to do at least one a day. If I can't, then I'll try to at least get, a video the next day if I miss a day. I'm gonna continue with facts about the universe in this video. So I'm gonna start where I left off. I'm trying to find it. Okay. Fact 11. A spoonful of a neutron star weighs about 1 billion tons. Neutron stars spin incredibly quickly and are also incredibly dense. It is estimated if you could collect a tablespoon of matter from the center of a neutron star, it would weigh about 1 billion tons. That's crazy. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is the most distant human-made object from Earth. The Voyager program launched 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. In 1977, the probes explored the planets and moons of the outer solar system over several decades and are now continuing their mission to travel through the heliosphere at the edge of our solar system and continue to voyage into interstellar space. On March 20th, 2013, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to leave the solar system and is now the furthest human-made object from Earth, currently 124.34 astronomical units away. In layman's terms, this means it's around 1.15555581251 times 1010 miles away. Putting it mildly, this is a long way from home. Let's see. That one's not very good. I'm trying to find a good one. It is estimated there are 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Our sun is essential to us, the center of our solar system and our source of light and energy, but it is just one of many, many stars that make up our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Current estimates suggest there are around 400 billion stars sharing our galaxy. There could be 500 million planets capable of supporting life in our galaxy. Scientists searching for extraterrestrial life focus on Goldilocks planets. These are planets which fall into a star's habitable zone. Planet Earth seems to have exactly the right conditions for life to exist. Its distance from the sun means the temperature is right. Water can exist as a liquid, solid, and a gas. And there are the right combination of chemical compounds available to build complex life forms. Other planets thought to have similar features are known as Goldilocks planets. In the Milky Way alone, there are estimated to be 500 million potential Goldilocks planets, So if life can exist in places other than Earth, there is a huge number of potential planets on which it might thrive. If these numbers are applied to all the galaxies in the universe, there could be a staggering variety of planets capable of supporting life. Of course, we have no evidence life exists elsewhere, but if it does, there are plenty of places for it to set up home. There are probably more than 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Different calculations provide different numbers for how many galaxies there are in the observable universe. That is the part of the universe we can see from Earth with our current technology. There may be many more, but they are simply too far away for our telescopes to detect. Using data from the Hubble telescope, astronomers have calculated there are likely to be around 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. There could be an infinite number of universes. This is more speculative theory than a fact, but several branches of mathematics, quantum mechanics, and astrophysics have all come to similar conclusions. Our universe is just one of many, and we actually exist in a multiverse. There are different ideas of how this could be, one being the concept of atoms only capable of being arranged in a finite number of ways in time and space, ultimately leading to the repetition of events and people. Other theories propose bubble or parallel universes and brain worlds that hover just out of reach of the dimensions we experience. Although these concepts seem like the far-fetched ideas of science fiction, they are actually proving to be the most elegant solutions to problems thrown up by our discoveries of how the universe works. The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe. Our brains are remarkably complex objects with 100 billion neurons and a quadrillion connections. And we still know very little about how this organic supercomputer operates. But we do know the human brain is the most complicated thing we have yet discovered. It gives us the power to form language and culture, consciousness, the idea of self, and the ability to learn and understand the universe and reflect on our place within it. We even have an inbuilt model of gravity, which is pretty useful. We are all made of stardust. This may sound fanciful, but the reality is almost every element found on Earth was created in the burning core of a star. All the stuff that makes up life on Earth, therefore our bodies are made from stardust. NASA have studied stardust extensively, and you can read more about their research on their official website. In the words of Carl Sagan, the nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, the iron in our blood, the carbon in our apple pies, we're made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff. That's all I have on this site right now. But if you guys are interested in this, and you haven't seen the show Cosmos, A Space Odyssey, or something like that, I think it's called A Space-Time Odyssey, with Neil deGrasse Tyson, I'd watch that if I was you, if you're interested in this kind of stuff. That show was so good. It's on Netflix. The first episode really hooked me in when I watched it. So I was just watching that show every week, waiting for it to come out. Nowadays, that's really hard to do to wait for like new shows every week, because like all the Netflix shows that I watch just release full seasons at a time, so you could just like binge watch, like House of Cards. So that was really kind of annoying, having to wait week to week for the next episode. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll try to get more like fact type videos out if you guys liked it. Anyways, leave a comment, subscribe, share,